Hello and welcome to the Carmel Public Library. Today we'll be talking about tips and tricks when using Kanopy. If this is your first time using Kanopy, please head over to the Kanopy sign-up video on our YouTube page. Now, let's go ahead and get started. When you're on the Kanopy homepage, go ahead and click Login. As a reminder, if you do not have a Kanopy account, just click the link at the top to get started. If you signed up using your Gmail account, click Login with Google. Or if you used your Facebook account, click on Connect with Facebook to sign in. If you signed up using your email, enter in your full email address and your Kanopy password. If you do not remember your password, scroll down to see the Forgot Password option at the bottom. Follow the instructions to reset your password. When you are all set to go, select Log In. Once you're logged in, you can hover over your name to see different options, including your dashboard and viewing history. Or you can select Kanopy Kids to see movies for children. You can browse movies by subject, or you can search for something specific in the search bar, such as an actor, director, or series. When you see what you're looking for, just click on the title. When you hover over the cover art of a movie, it will display a star review and a small summary. To watch a movie, just click Watch, or you can save it to watch later by clicking on the My List button. When a movie is added to My List, it will display a green check mark. To see everything that is in the list, go to your name in the right-hand corner and select My Watch List. Now, you can see the movies that you have saved for later. When you are ready to watch them, just click Watch Now, or you can remove a movie from the list if you've changed your mind. Now we'll talk a bit about the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can view your profile and be able to change your password or email address. You can also edit the library card if you had to get a new number. In My Memberships, you're able to link multiple libraries to the same Kanopy account. So, if you're a member of a different library that also subscribes to Kanopy, you can add that library. To do so, just click on Add a New Membership, and then find the library by entering in the library name. Next, you'll have to enter the library card information and hit Continue. To add more libraries, just repeat the process. Only one account can be active at a time, but you can switch it when you like. If you have any questions, please contact the library. Happy viewing!